Bobcats today. Today we play the Cougars.
In that case, we're in serious trouble.
All right, now, once again, who are we going to be?
They're going to beat us.
That's a spirit. All right, let's hit the field. Come on. Come on.
Say hello to my little birdie, John.
Hey, hello, little birdie. Go!
I trained him to attack.
Did you train him to stop the bleeding?
He's a sissy. But don't worry. You get used to him. He's going to stay here for a couple of days.
Oh, well, I'd love to have him stay here for a couple of days so he could peck at my flesh. But it's against the rules.
Oh, come on. Grandma Boyle's visiting, and she's allergic to birds.
Tell her it's a flying hamster with big teeth.
Easy, Jaws. Take it easy. It's not time for force. Yet.
Stay right to you.
What?
Across the letters.
Yeah, Adidas.
I call them as I see them. Play ball.
Oh, what's that? Come on, Trey. You can't have these calls. The strike zone is anything that don't hit a bat.
George, you ought to fly over there and sick him. He's got a big, juicy finger.
Go ahead. Mr. Buttermaker, don't blame Turner. If you didn't have Frosty out running personal errands, he'd be upping this game.
Ogilvy, come on over here and pet the bird, huh?
Yeah.
Ball.
What's the matter, Turner? You getting soft?
Yeah, well, that's the last close one you're getting, too. Play ball.
Time is called one for us.
Stay right to reach.
Blind, Bucky! You're blind!
And you're out.
And you're dead, you such right!
Nuts.
Yeah, you dingus head! Come on, put him up!
Take
you
it
dingus.
easy, kid. Take it
Play.
easy.
Sally Engelberg, you better get him.
It's only a game.
Come on, Tanner! Hey, come on, let's go! Hey, all the man! Hey, leave your head!
Let's play ball.
That's the way to go, Tanner. It's a bad call. All right, come on, Ahmad. Get a piece of it now. Get a piece of it.
Buttermaker, come here.
Frosty, come here. You see I'm coaching, don't you?
Buttermaker.
I'll be right there. Ogilvy, take over. Hey, you did it. You really bought us a racehorse. He's beautiful.
And only $150. Nobody else even bid on him.
If nobody bid on him, why did you start at 10?
You're quibbling? Rocket Jr.'s gonna make us a fortune.
Yeah. Hey, where's he going?
Wow, look over there! Real horse! Oh, what a great horse! Beautiful!
No, no, not too close. Come over here. Okay, come on.
Excuse me.
Don't get too close to him. He's a champion.
Rocket Jr.'s bred to run.
Hey, look! What's he doing? What's happening? Hey, what's going on? Why is he on the ground? You dummy! It's what the jockey's on. Those guys are short.
Praying for the Triple Crown.
Hey, Buttermaker, come on. Get that bag of bones out of here.
Don't yell at the horse!
Come on, boys, get out.
Mr. Buttermaker, a horse on the field?
It's a long story.
Yes, I'm sure it is, but you can tell me another time. In the meantime, would you please get the horse off school grounds?
Hey, this'll get him to move. Come on, Rocket. Rocket, good for the eyes. Come on, make you run faster, Rocket. Come on, boy. Yeah, boy.
Come on, Rocket. Come on.
Come on, boy. Rocket boy, come on. Come on, Rocket boy.
Hey, maybe he can hit. We know he can run. What? $75 a month to board a horse? Listen, I pay less rent than that, and I get carpeting. Hello?
Hi, Amanda.
Canine Country Club? I'd like to board an animal. How big? About 16 hands. That's right, it's not a dog. Well, it's a horse. and I'm willing to pay $25 a month rent. Hey, I thought that was the horse. That's a good imitation. You ought to have an act.
Hi, Mr. Budmaker. I was just showing Rocket Jr. around.
Okay. The school? Where is he now?
Oh, he got tired. He's lying down in the shower. See ya. Why is Rocket Jr. always lying down?
Even champions need a rest. Let's get Rocket Jr. out.
Hello, Mr. Buttermaker. I came by because I'm worried about your horse.
Ah, Dr. Pant, how nice. Don't worry about Rocket Jr. Even champions need the rest.
No, they don't. He just might have some leg trouble. Now, I suggest that you have a vet look at him. Here's a very good one, an old friend of the family's.
Thanks.
Hey, Mr. Buttermaker.
Yeah.
That big horse is lying down in the shower.
Oh? Well, you tell Engelberg to get his big butt out of there right now.
But...
Buttermaker. The name is Buttermaker. Listen, thanks for dropping by, and say hello to the wife and kids, huh?
But I...
Buttermaker, Morris, Buttermaker.
Coaching is taking its toll, Morris.
Close call, huh?
Forget something, PhD?
Is his brain rotting?
Tanner! Tanner, my boy.
Yep, it's rotted. Listen, Buttercup, since you're turning this place into an animal hotel, I'm checking Jaws in, right?
Wrong. Amanda, call the vet.
I bet you I can catch for Pant before you can get Flea Biscuit off his duff.
Well, he... Oh, he is a cute little bird. Yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun here. Son of a gun bit me in the other finger. I don't know. Don't look like a vet to me.
This is terrible.
Oh, Rocket's going to make us a fortune. Why didn't you start with $10?
I don't like to look cheap.
I'm afraid it's too late. It's dead.
Rocket Jr.'s dead?
You bought a dead horse?
No, the horse is fine. The bird is dead.
Tanner's bird. It must have gotten out.
Now, as near as I can figure it, the horse sat on the bird.
Rocket Jr.'s okay, huh?
Oh, yeah, the horse is fine, and the peck mark should heal in a couple of days. Now, the shin splints in his leg, however, mean he'll never race again.
Never race again, huh?
Look, you can have him moved to my place, though, unless, until you make other arrangements.
The horse or the bird?
The bird.
The horse. Do you want me to send the bill to the school?
Sure. No, you bill the guy who bought the horse. And please, don't tell Dr. Repent. I'll tell her.
About a horse murdering a bird in a shower? Sure you will.
Sorry I blew the $150.
Ah, forget the money. How do I tell a kid my horse sat on his bird?
Just tell him straight out. Then give him $5.
It's a heavy thing for a kid. I can't tell him. Take someone that's more sensitive than me.
All right, I'll tell him. Lend me $5.
I'll get PhD to do it.
It'll be awfully tough without telling her about the horse.
Look, I can handle it.
Just tell the kid that the bird flew off to join a circus.
What a warm human being.
Hello, Mr. Buttermaker. Did you talk to Dr. Dillman?
Yes. Did you?
No.
Good. Listen, I got a problem. I told Tanner he could keep his pet parakeet in the locker room.
You know about animals on school grounds.
He's not there anymore.
Good.
He died.
Not good. How is Tanner taking it?
So far, pretty good. He doesn't know yet. I don't know how to tell him. So, you tell him. Let me know how he takes it.
Mr. Buttermaker, I have a Ph.D. in psychology, and I'm not going to tell him alone, so stick around. We'll do it together.
Maybe we could tell him the bird flew off and joined the circus.
It's cute, Buttermaker.
Frosty.
Miss Harris, would you please send Tanner Boyle into my office? Thank you. Do you have any idea how the bird died?
Well, it was an accident.
What kind of an accident?
Well, he was accidentally smothered.
Smothered? By what?
By a large object that didn't mean it.
Engelbert fell on the bird.
Oh, you're getting warm, but much larger.
Larger than Engelbert? Does it have 4 legs?
Usually.
It's that horse, isn't it?
Accidentally. I don't know. Somehow, Tanner's bird got loose, the horse sat on it, and killed it. Hey, Tanner, I'm real sorry about Jaws. I kind of like the way he bit me.
Forget it. Accidents happen.
Well, if it's any help to you, boy, he put up one heck of a fight.
Hey, it's cool.
Tanner, I know what you must be going through. I mean, I'm sure you loved your pet very much, and you must be feeling pretty hurt.
No, I don't feel hurt.
Well, you must feel something. Feel mad, you feel sad. What do you feel?
I feel hungry. Can I go to lunch?
Yeah, sure. Go on ahead.
Thanks. Today's pizza day.
It's a tough kid.
He sure is.
Maybe he's a little too tough for his own good.
You know, it's all that macho stuff. Probably thinks it's weak to cry.
It's stupid. But we've been taught that men don't cry.
Yeah, I know. You ever cry?
Of course not.
2, 4, 6, 8. Who we gonna mutilate? Wildcats! Wildcats! Yay! Tanner! Just a minute. Team felt bad about Jaws, so we all chipped in for a $3 gift certificate. It's from Finkley's House of Birds. Hey, that's where I got my parrot. I taught him how to curse. I don't want any more pets. But thanks. I'll trade it in for the cash. He must be grief-stricken. He doesn't know what he's saying. I don't know how you feel. My guppy ate her baby. I find the 23rd Psalm very comforting in times of trouble. Yea, I walk through the valley. It's my turn to be nice. It's a bummer, man. Hey, what's the big deal?
Look, I figured you needed some fun, so I fixed you up with Marilyn Zebo.
What would I do, the courty girl? I know what I'd do. I'd take her out to eat.
Too bad, she's on a diet.
Oh, come on. I lost 5 lizards last year. I'm sorry about Jaws, Tanner. I cried. You're all a bunch of handbags. You mean you didn't cry? Over what? A bunch of feathers and a beak? Girls. Men. Buttermaker, where's my glove? Don't touch it, you man.
Man? Yeah, me man, you girl. Big news.
I don't believe it. Tanner's bird dies, and he doesn't feel a thing. He doesn't cry, nothing. Men have no feelings.
Oh, yes, we do. We're just taught not to show it through tears. We have other ways. Ulcers.
That's not funny. That's stupid. Men.
Women.
Fire it in there, Amanda. Stand there.
Throw it!
The ball! Frankie, for the ball!
Out! I guess.
Now, that's baseball.
How should I score that, sir?
Well, it's a put out by the pitcher and assist by Reggie's glove.
Get it off the plate, man! Tanner's gonna be all over. Come on!
I was going to deck him.
Okay. Bring it up, stop it. Okay, Clinton's crazy. Bring it up.
Okay, nice job, Ahmad. But there's nobody fighting.
There should be. Put him up, win. You know, you were right about Tanner.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty smart, huh?
Brilliant. He doesn't cry. He doesn't fight. He doesn't feel anything. Now what are you going to do about it, genius?
Well, I'll tell him,
Men.
I'm sure glad you could make it, Tanner. Hey, how about a nice, rich, creamy milkshake, huh?
I hate milkshakes. Now what's the scam?
Well, look, we gotta have a serious talk.
You got a milk mustache.
Oh, yeah, I knew that'd give you a laugh. Now, look, Tanner, I know it was my fault that your pet got killed. Now, if it'll make you feel any better, why, you can pop me one right there. No, go ahead. Give me a good pop. Boom! Hey. Pretty fair little popper, aren't you? Feel any better?
I feel the same. But if it'll make you feel any better, I'll punch you again.
No, that's all right. Now, look, Tanner, I know it's tough losing your pet like you did. But you can't keep your feet bottled up like that. I mean, it's okay to cry.
I ain't no handbag.
Well, neither is Freddie Pate. But when Kansas City lost the playoffs, he cried. And on national TV.
I would have laughed in his face.
Would you have laughed at John Havlicek, Joe Namath, Hank Aaron? I mean, they all cried.
When?
Well, when they retired.
They should have cried. They were out of work.
Look, Tanner, you mean you don't feel bad about losing Jaws?
I don't feel nothing.
Well, your teammates do. Tomorrow we're going to have a little memorial service for them.
What for?
Well, because we cared for them. Now, if you want to come, why, that's all right with us.
No, thanks. Like I said, I ain't no handbag. See you later.
I cried when I left the miners. I ain't no handbag. Well, I guess Tanner's not going to show up, so we might as well get started.
Some say that Bert had a nasty disposition. But I say, beneath that blustery exterior, beat the heart of a dove. I was scared of him, but I loved him. Yeah, he left a mark on me, too. Hope it never heals. By now, he's probably up there in bird heaven. Yeah, pecking away at the Lord's finger.
Listen, Jaws, Tanner wanted to be here today, but, well, he wasn't ready. Anybody else got anything to say? Well, I'd like to say a few words. We've come here today to honor a bird. His name was Jaws. He was a parakeet. But but not an ordinary parakeet. He was an attack parakeet. Born fighter.
No, he wasn't. Jaws wasn't a natural fighter. I trained him.
Right. He was a trained attack bird. A very smart one at that.
He was dumb. You know, it wasn't easy training him. I worked with him every day for 2 months.
Very well. He wasn't too smart, but he was a hard worker. At any rate, he didn't live long. And although his life was short, it was a good one. He was cared for, he had a good home. He always had birdseed to eat.
He didn't eat birdseed.
He didn't?
No, he didn't like it. The only thing he would eat is the deluxe bird mix. I used to go down to the pet store and get it from all the time. It's the best stuff there is.
Really?
Yeah, Jules loved that stuff. He used to hop on my shoulder, right here, see? And I'd feed it to him, right out of my hand. Then you know what he would do? And then you know what he would do?